tour was amazing, and full of information. Naz was amazing as a tour guide. He knows a lot and is always ready for any questions. You could see how much he loves what he does and how much he actually also loves Zanzibar. It was a real pleasure and we really enjoyed the tour, highly recommended. Naz was an amazing guide. The tour was well planned, and we visited all the key landmarks. He knows the history of the city and the island incredibly well and shared many interesting stories. I really learned a lot. He is also very kind and fun to be around. I definitely recommend him. I booked this 2-hour tour of Stone Town with Naz based on the good reviews and the hype lived up to the billing. Naz was a very knowledgeable tour guide of all things Zanzibar and Stone Town. He knows his history and locations inside out, and if you ask a question that he doesn't know the answer to, he tried to find the answer immediately. Naz is also a good-humored, personable, and positive gentleman, and I enjoyed my time in his company. I highly recommend booking this tour. Excellent personal tour with a knowledgeable local guide. In addition to the usual attractions, Naz went out of his way to show us lesser-known spots such as Jaws Corner and St. Joseph's Cathedral. Very immersive. Strongly recommended. Naz is extremely knowledgeable about the history, and just an all-round awesome person to spend time with. Was willing to adjust tour to specific needs/asks, and his English is excellent. If I could do it all over again, I would definitely choose to go with him again. An excellent tour of Stone tour hosted by Naz. His historical knowledge was second to none, and his enthusiasm was 10 tenths. We had the best time on this tour. Naz is amazing. He brought us to parts of Stone Town we never would have found by ourselves and was so knowledgeable about the history of Stone Town. He even took us off-route to the Zanzibar Museum as he knew I had a special interest in it. Definitely recommend anyone wanting to get a feel for the local area to do this walking tour. $738/1500. A tour in Stone Town? Definitely with Naz. He knows so much about the history of Zanzibar and Stone Town. And he loves what he does. He talks with such enthusiasm, it's a joy to listen to him. He also included quizzes every now and then, where we could guess things or predict the outcome of events. That was really fun. He also tailored his tour to our individual wishes. Thank you, Naz, for showing me the house of Bibi Salome, the Princess of Zanzibar, about whom I am currently reading a book. This made the history even more vivid for me. All the best to you, Naz. With your warm nature and vast knowledge, you are sure to inspire many more people.